Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 10th, 2024. We're hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Everybody has a great Sunday evening. Everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics here. Show you this here, and also our system, which looks to develop down in the southwestern or western Caribbean Sea. Coming up in the next 7 days, we already have an area marked by the National Hurricane Center, which we've been talking about for the past few days. Has already not developed yet, but in the next 7 days, something may be brewing in the Caribbean Sea, which we may have another storm, which, if it do take a name, it will be named Sarah. So, alrighty. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alright, as you can see here is the remnants of Raphael. Raphael not barely organized. You can see just a little bit of convection right along shore or offshore here of the Gulf Coast states. That's continued to push on off to the south. These are the cold front kind of then grabbed it and pulling the moisture off to the east, southeast. You can see a system here trying to develop right here in the eastern Caribbean Sea. This was that little system here that was over portions that we thought was going to move into the Bahamas. In fact, it made a deep left-hand turn and making a southbound turn as well. And this system here could move into the west. That's why it could have something develop right in this area here. You can see a little bit of activity trying to develop already down in the southwestern Caribbean Sea. Alright, you can see a cold front well out in the coastal waters. There's that cold front along the eastern seaboard. Got another system fixing to move into the western U.S. here, moving into Washington, Oregon State. You can see a little bit of activity over a portion of Montana back into Nevada. You can see another system over here not too far from Hawaii bringing some showers and storms in that area, and more scattered activity in the eastern Pacific stretching over to Central America. More activity over South America as well. Alright, let's move on to the tropics. That way I'll show you where that system is expected to develop over the next 7 days. Alright, you can see here is Tropical Depression Raphael. Like I say, no more Raphael soon. You can see here is that next 7 day development right in the southwestern and western Caribbean Sea. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warn advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see here we got some air quality alerts up here in portions of New York State. We're from the wildfires over portions of the northeastern U.S. as well. We have some river flood warnings across portions of South Carolina and Georgia. Then again in Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and portions of Texas. Coastal flood advisory along the Louisiana coast. We have some wind advisories up here in areas of northern Minnesota, northeastern Minnesota, northern Michigan. We have some severe thunderstorms also going portions of Michigan as well. We have more wind advisory over Montana, Oregon, and Nevada, and portions of northern California. Also, we have some winter weather advisories for portions of Washington State, Oregon, and California regions as well, and also some air quality alerts for areas of Oregon State and portions of Idaho. Alright, we got some small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to around the Virginia coastal areas. Then again from the South Carolina, Georgia coast to the east coast of Florida. Then again from the Louisiana coast to portions of Texas. Then from Washington State to Southern California. Also around the southern Hawaiian chain island. And also southern Alaska. Freezing spray warning to the north. Alright, we have a little bit of severe weather to talk about. We have a marginal risk over portions of Texas and Oklahoma. And also southern portions of Kansas. From Liberal to Woodward to Amarillo. We have areas just in general thunderstorm from Lubbock, Texas, all the way up to Sioux Falls City, South Dakota, and a little bit along the Gulf Coast, down here along southern Louisiana and southeast Texas. This will be day 3 outlook, and the probability is only 5% for severe weather. Alright, snowfall totals over the next 16 days. As you can see, heaviest precipitation of snowfall expected over southeast Canada, stretching in portion of Maine, central Canada, maybe some out here in portions of Dakotas, back in the portion of Nebraska, all the way back into Colorado, all the way to portions of Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California, Nevada, Utah, and also portions of New Mexico. A little bit lighter amount stretching from over here near Nebraska back over toward the mountains of western North Carolina, portion of Virginia, West Virginia. You're included with just a little bit of snowfall there. Elsewhere, no snow is expected because it's going to be a little bit too warm for any snow potential south of this line here where the snowfall is occurring. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing. Also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care. And like I say, enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got.